Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create an Instagram post on different niches. So guys, you can sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms like Upwork, etc. And you can also grab the local clients. You can go to google.com and search for websites according to your niche and ask them that uh, you can make their Instagram presence strong and viral, so they can hire you and you can charge good amount of money through it. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create an Instagram post on gardening. This will help you a lot, so let's get started. So I am going to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com, canva.com is one of the best freelance online graphic designing tool. So you can easily you don't need to be an expert graphic designer or experienced graphic designer. You just have to start. Canva do it all for you. So I can click on create a design, and here I search Instagram post portrait. Let's see. So it is loading. It's just wait for some seconds. It's depend upon the internet speed. So here I write gardening. So it shows me template according to gardening, and you can easily customize these templates, and that's it. So I think I would like to choose this one. This is great. First of all, I would like to change the picture, so I'm going to photos, and here I search garden ink. It is loading. It's depend upon the internet speed, so bear with me. In that time we change the, like, we can customize something, like I add dummy phone number, dummy email, and do so I would like to change this image. So, and I would like to add dummy website, and that's it. You can also change this color into black. It's look good. So if you want to add some elements, you can also add that element as well. Like, go to element, gardening, this element is look good. And there are a lot of other elements, you can easily use them. So guys, I think you see that we can create an Instagram post in just 2 or 3 minutes. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.